Hello students, we are going to do lesson number 3 of English course, that is Clever Bobo. Bobo is a name of a rabbit in this chapter, and we will learn about how he saved his life from the cruel lion. Okay. Once upon a time there lived a cruel lion called Bhasuraka in a dense forest. Once upon a time there lived a lion whose name was Basuraka, and he lived in a dense. Dense means thick forest. Basuraka was king of the animals, and the lion was the king of the animals. He was fierce and powerful and very proud of himself. Fierce means dangerous. He was very dangerous and powerful, and also he was very proud of himself. He would kill the animals of the forest whenever he pleased. He killed the animals at any time, whether or not he was hungry. He don't want to be hungry to kill the animals. He killed the animals when he wanted. All the animals of the forest were very worried. All the animals of the forest were very worried, because if this went on, after some time none of them would be left alive. They were worried because if the lion continued to eating the animals, none of them will be left alive. What could they do? They decided to hold a meeting with the lion to try and put an end to their problem. But then they decided to hold a meeting with the lion, and also to end their problem or solve their problem. Put an end to their problem means solve their problem. So one day all the animals of the forest gathered under a big tree. They invited Basuraka to attend the meeting. So all the animals, they all gathered under a big tree, and they also invited Basuraka to attend the meeting. The animals said to Basuraka, "Your Majesty, we are glad to have you as our king. But if you kill more than you need, very soon there will be no animal left in the forest." Now all the animals said that, "Your Majesty, we are happy." Glad means happy to have you our king. Okay. But they also said that if the lion continues to kill the animals without any reason, there no animal will be left. So what do you want? The lion roared. The lion asked in an angry mood that what they want. One of the animals replied, "We have decided to send one animal to your den every day. You can eat him. This will also save you the trouble of hunting." Now one animal replied means answer the lion that we have decided, that all the animals have decided to send one animal to lion's den every day, so that lion can eat him, and this will also save lion's problem of hunting. "Very well," replied Basuraka. The lion said, "Okay, very good, very well. But make sure that the animal reaches me on time, otherwise I will kill all the animals of the jungle." He said that, but make sure that whosoever animal will come to him, it will reach to him at time, otherwise he will kill all the animals of the jungle. From that day onwards, an animal was sent to Basuraka every day to become his food. Now, from that day onwards, daily one animal was sent to Basuraka, so that that animal can become food of the Basuraka. The lion was very happy to have his food right before him without having to take the pains of hunting. The lion becomes very happy because he didn't have to go to any hunting, and he didn't have to face any pain, and he was just relaxing in his den, and every day an animal came and he eat them. Okay. One day it was the turn of Bobo, a rabbit, to go to the lion's den. One day the turn of Bobo, a rabbit, comes to go to the lion's den. Bobo was clever animal. He thought of a plan which would save his life and also the lives of all the animals of the forest. Then he thought of a plan that can save the life of his and also all the animals of the forest. Now, what was the plan? We will read it. Bobo wandered around in the forest for a while. Okay, Bobo wandered around means moved about aimlessly, means he moves here and there without any reason, and finally he reached the lion's den a little late. As he was moving here and there without any reason, he reached the lion's den a little late. Basuraka was hungry and was impatiently waiting for his food to arrive. Basuraka was very hungry and impatiently means in a restless manner. He was waiting for his food to arrive. He was furious when he saw that only a small rabbit had been sent for his meal. Now he was very furious, means very angry, when he saw that only a small rabbit had been sent, because he was angry and hungry also. Next, why are you so late? He growled. Why are you so late? Why have they sent only a little rabbit for my meal? And he also asked why the animals have sent only a little animal, because he was very hungry at that time. Bobo stood with folded hands and quietly said, now what Bobo do? He stood with his folded hands and said, your Majesty, please forgive me, but it is not my fault. He said that, Your Majesty, please forgive me because it was not my fault. Actually, 6 rabbits were sent to make your meal. He said that actually 6 rabbits were sent to make the meal, but 5 of them were killed and eaten by another lion. And what now? He said that 5 rabbits were killed by another lion and also eaten by him. He said that he was a real king of the forest. Now what Bobo was saying to him, that the lion who has eaten the other 5 rabbits, he said that he was the real king of the forest. I have somehow escaped to reach here safely. He said that I have somehow means I managed to run away from there to come here safely. Basuraka roared in anger and said, impossible, there cannot be another king of this forest. He roared and said that no, it is not possible that any other king can come in this forest. Tell me, who is he? I will kill him. Basuraka said that I will go there and kill that lion. Take me to the place where you saw him. But he asked to Bobo that take me to the place where you saw that lion. Bobo agreed and took the lion towards a deep well filled with water. Now what Bobo do? He took the lion to the deep well which is filled with water. When they reached the well, the rabbit said, here is the place where he lives. Be careful, he might be hiding inside. When they reached at well, what the rabbit said, he said that this is the place where the other lion live and be careful, he might be hiding inside the well. Basuraka looked inside the well and saw his own reflection in the water. He thought it was the other lion. See, Basuraka was seeing downside in the well, and we know that when we see our face in the water, we see our own image. Similarly, Basuraka see his own reflection, means mirror image in the well, and he thought that it is another lion. Basuraka was furious and started to growl. Now Basuraka became angry and he started to growl, means making angry noises. His growl echoed back from the well. Echoed means repeated. Because from well whensoever we speak, the voice come back. Okay, similarly his growl came back from the well. Basuraka was scared. Now he was scared. He ran away from the forest, never to run again. And he was so scared that he ran away from the parents, and then after that he never came back to the jungle or the forest. Bobo breathed a sign of relief, means Bobo was now relaxed. He went back to the other animals and told them what had happened. Now he went back to the other animals and tell them what happened. All the animals were happy and praised Bobo for his cleverness, means they all cheer up Bobo for his cleverness. They lived happily ever after in the forest. After that, all the animals started living happily in the forest. So in this chapter we read about a rabbit who was very clever and who saves his and other animals' life. from the lion.